Imagine a single ingredient that brightens your skin, fights acne, and feels like nature's gift in the palm of your hand. Yes, the humble tomato hides skincare magic just waiting to be unlocked. Let's explore its surprising benefits and practical ways to use it for glowing, healthier skin starting today. Tomatoes are small but mighty. They're loaded with lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that fights free radicals and reduces skin damage. Lycopene is nature's shield, protecting your skin from harsh UV rays and premature aging. Combined with vitamins A and C, tomatoes nurture your skin from deep within and leave it glowing. What makes tomatoes so unique? Their natural acids improve oily skin balance, unclog pores, and exfoliate dead cells, leaving your skin fresh and rejuvenated. It's like giving your face a clean, polished slate, effortlessly and naturally. Hydration meets gentle exfoliation in every slice of this magical fruit. Ready to harness this power at home? Start by creating a simple tomato face mask. All you need is one ripe tomato, mashed into a paste, and applied gently to your skin. Let it sit for 15 minutes while its nutrients work their magic, and rinse to reveal hydrated, radiant skin. For acne-prone skin, tomatoes can be a game-changer. Their antibacterial properties help reduce breakouts by keeping excess oil and clog-causing bacteria at bay. Imagine a calm, balanced complexion, all from layering thin tomato slices over problem areas for just a few minutes a day. Looking for a summer glow? Combine tomatoes with honey for a moisturizing and brightening face mask. Together, these natural ingredients hydrate your skin while reducing dark spots and improving texture. With just 2 ingredients, you can create a spa-like experience at home without spending a fortune. But how does a tomato feel on your skin? Surprisingly cooling and refreshing. It's like placing a chilled mist of hydration onto your face. Whether you use it fresh as juice or blended with ingredients, its cooling effect makes it a must-have, especially during warmer seasons. Remember, even the best natural remedies need consistency to work their magic. A weekly tomato skincare routine can help balance your skin and maintain its glow. Paired with a healthy diet and hydration, you're nurturing beauty from the inside out, one fresh slice at a time. Tomatoes are a reminder that natural beauty starts with simple, accessible ingredients. They're more than a kitchen staple. They're a skincare hero bringing luminous vitality straight from nature. Start your journey to radiance today by giving this vibrant fruit the place it deserves in your beauty routine. Let the story of tomatoes inspire your self-care journey. A powerful individual ingredient, when nurtured and cherished, transforms into something beautiful and vibrant. Embrace the natural, simple secrets of nature and glow with confidence, because your skin deserves the care of something as humble yet extraordinary as a tomato.